Hello guys, today I show you how to use zoom extend and rotate. Okay, so first is zoom extends. Example, I draw something here. Use air again. And I use P. Oh, sorry. Sorry. A again. Use P. Okay. Okay, so zoom extend. This is a zoom extend. So example, you zoom, it's too big, yeah? Like this. You don't know where you are. It's so big. And you scroll it so many times, yeah? So where is my drawing? You don't know. So you click on here. Zoom extend, and then you will come up. See? The whole plan, the whole drawing of your plan. Again, example, you in your project, and the project is so big you cannot know where your project is. Just click on here. Zoom extend. See? And then rotate. How to use rotate? Example, I draw a object. Draw a object here. I press it. Okay, I use P again. Oh no. Okay. So, example, I group this one. What? Okay. I make group this one. And I want to rotate this one. So you see here. Rotate here. Click on here. So I want, where do you want to rotate? See? Where do you want to rotate? Not like this. It's up. Not like this. Just click on it. It's about yeah. That's how you can use rotate. Or you can rotate this one. The biggest one. I make group first. Okay, I use rotate. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.